Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Well, we are in a different part of the house today. If you're new here, this is my daughter Abigail's room. She is 14 years old and she has severe autism. We moved into this house about 6 months ago and we just kind of threw some things on the wall and got a new comforter set, but I really wanted to make it like more for a teenage girl. With that though, and her having autism, she is a little destructive sometimes, so we have to take that into consideration. So I'm going to show you some of the things that we bought and kind of tell you why we bought certain things and how we're going to decorate with them to just make it a cute teenage girl room. So right now we're just staging everything. We're taking everything off the walls, folding all the blankets, you know, getting everything prepped, and then we'll figure out where we're going to put all the new items that we got. I did get some of these things off of Amazon. If I got it off Amazon, I'll link it down below. Some of the items I got from Hobby Lobby, and I think those are the only two places I really shopped, was Hobby Lobby and Amazon. So one of the things we did get on Amazon were her curtains, and they're going to be shorter than what they should be for this length of window, but it's because when Abbie sits on her couch, she likes to pull the curtain over her head, and she would pull the whole thing out of the wall. So we went ahead and got shorter curtains, and they are room darkening. Hopefully that'll help with sleeping. We shall see. So just like with the curtains, we have to think about all the things that we're gonna hang on the wall for Ab. You notice we did the dots on the top because she would just peel them off if we had them at her level. Then with these letters, like I got these, but Asa brought up a good point. He said if she bumps into one and knows that it falls off, she's gonna pull them all off the wall. I don't know why she does that. Any idea?
No, she just, like she doesn't like things on couches, and she doesn't like things sitting on tables, and so I use these drywall anchors. These are really heavy duty.
Okay.
That's how I kept stuff on the wall at the old house.
Gotcha. So yeah, and you'll notice that we put a lot of things up high, and that's just to keep it, because we want our room to be cute, but, we have to make it, like, livable for her where she's not going to be able to destroy everything. These are super cute pictures. Asa actually found this. You found this online, right? This company to do this with?
Yeah.
And so maybe you could put their link down in my description. Yeah. Not sponsored, but they're really neat they're styrofoam.
They're tiles, photo tiles.
Yeah, they're photo tiles. And then they just stick on the back. So they're pretty neat, but we got 8 of them for her and all her friends. A lot of teenage girl rooms have like the cute ropes and they'll put like their pictures on there. And so this was a good way to go for Ab. All right, guys, we are a lot of hours later. Abbie's home from school now. And we even took a trip to Target in between. I'm super excited she gets to see this reveal with us. But here is Abigail's room. All right, so we've got the curtains and the curtain rods. Asa loved these. They were so easy to install. Like I said, they will be linked down below because I got them off Amazon for a really good price. We got this from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut it in half, and it was 50% off. This, we always talk about Abigail, and we call her Pretty Girl, so I thought it was perfect. Rise and Shine Pretty Girl, also from Hobby Lobby. The twinkle lights I got off of Amazon. And the little garland I got from Hobby Lobby for 50% off, as well as Asa's favorite word signs. We decided that Abbie's the only one allowed to have words in her room from Hobby Lobby. The little A, I thought that was so cute, and it would be really good for a nightlight because it has a controller where you can keep it on for 10, 20, and 30 minutes. So that's from Amazon, and it's so cute. The little flowers we got today from Target. The dots I got off of Amazon. And guys, they go on so easy. And if you need to remove them, they come right off without messing up your paint. We've got these letters from Hobby Lobby. Again, 50% off. You always have to check Hobby Lobby because they have the best deals there. We wanted Abbie to have like the typical, teenage girl thing and have pictures of people who mean a lot to her. So we got these online. We'll link it down below. It just, I don't know, it warms my heart because it makes her smile. These are events that she loves and people that she loves. So I love it. All of her bedding came from Amazon, and then her rug came from Target. And I wasn't going to go with a rug, but I decided it matched perfectly. So Her Hello Gorgeous pillow was from Hobby Lobby on sale. We also had to get a wreath because I thought it just tied in the flowers together and I thought it looked so cute in here. I'm so excited. The Be Kind picture came from Target today, and that just kind of symbolizes Abigail and what our family strives for every day is be kind to one another. So Abbie always loves to have a couch in her room, and so we kept that. We've got some sensory items here from subscribers and things we've bought her. You know, pillows, she loves to squeeze on them, and just little things like this. And Abbie is not big into weighted blankets, but she loves to have the soft blankets that she puts over her head. So we've got a little toy box here, same type of things in there that she can go through whenever she wants to. Last but not least, Asa and I went ahead and switched out our fan in our bedroom, and we had this light. And so we thought, oh, that would be perfect for Abigail's room. And I don't know if you can see on camera, but the designs it puts off in the room is just so cute. And I think it's perfect for our princess. All right, let's see what our girl thinks. Hey, Ab, come here. I want to show you something. Are you ready? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it? So she loves to look out these windows, so we didn't want to change any of the configuration around. Hey, what do you think? Look at all your pictures up there of all your friends. It says rise and shine, pretty girl. What do you think? You like it?
Look up here.
Can I have a hug? It's pretty cool, huh?
I love watching her look at it all. It's so cute.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and redoing Abbie's room. We're going to give her her space, let her enjoy it, and just thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment down below. Let us know what was your favorite part of this room makeover. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Wow. That's kind of crazy.
And it's so cute.
It is.
You like it? Does it look like a teenage girl room?
It really does.
You're a teenage boy. Do you think this is what a girl's room would look like?
Sure. I've never been in one.
That's good.
Good answer.
Good answer. I'm proud. Look,
That was a lie. What?
the pictures.
Oh, yeah, those are cute. Those are really cute. She looks like she's making TikToks in here.
Aw, it does look like a TikTok room, kinda.